Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on NUBIA Neo 3 5G. Okay, so we need to, before we open up the WhatsApp, let's open up the settings. And in here, as you scroll down, then find Google. In here we need to make sure that we are logged in into the same Google account that we have selected during the backup process earlier, because if you are logged in into wrong account, you won't be able to simply restore your chats. Also, this video is for people who already have their backup created. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm explaining everything step by step, so if you want, you can watch that video. Now, we can open up our WhatsApp. Okay, in here simply select your language and click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications, and now in this bar we need to type our phone number. You can always click on what's my number and it will be automatically copied. Then click on continue, click on allow, select your phone number and then click on next. Click on yes. Okay. And now we need to verify our phone number. We have two ways how we can do it. We can use the code from the SMS message or use the missed call function. Always pick the missed call because in my opinion it works much better, and it's also simply faster. So I'll select that one, click on continue, click on allow. Now it's requesting for a call, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now click on continue, click on allow, allow, and allow all. And now select restore from backup, click on continue. And remember that if you don't do it right now, you won't be able to do it later, so you should do this right now. You can see also the account from which we are restoring our backup, and it's the same Google account that I have shown you in the settings before. Okay, 12 messages restored, click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo by clicking this plus button, then click on next. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages including videos, photos and normal messages has been successfully restored on our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.